Hi everyone, welcome back. I am going to be sharing my brightening face mask recipe. This is a whipped creamy moisturizing face mask that's perfect for all skin types. This face mask is very moisturizing on your skin. Your skin is going to be happy and glowing after you use this. So I'm going to show you step by step how I make this. So let's jump right in. And if this is your first time watching any of my videos, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos. I'm going to get started by weighing out my ingredients, and I'll have everything I use listed in the description box. So this is going to be a whipped emulsified face mask, so you are going to need the emulsifying wax. You cannot substitute this, so I'm just going to measure this out. I am using some cetyl alcohol to thicken up my face mask, but it is an optional ingredient. If you don't have this available, you can leave it out. For the oils, you want to use lightweight oils and avoid heavy oils since you're using this on your face, but you can substitute the oils that I used in this recipe. So now that all the oil-based ingredients are done, I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to work on the water-based ingredients, starting off with distilled water. So now the oil-based ingredients and water-based ingredients are ready. I'm just going to heat this up on low to medium heat until everything melts down, the waxes, and also until they're about the same temperature. That is so important when you're making this base, this lotion base for this mask. It took me about 15 to 20 minutes to heat this up, and then I added in my water to my oils and I used my stick blender to mix this up really well. You want to take your time to do this. It took me about 2 to 3 minutes. You want to do this so that way you don't have separation in your lotion base. So after mixing it up, it started to thicken up. It took about 10 to 15 minutes to get to a thick consistency, but you can play around with the recipe and make adjustments. I checked the temperature one more time. It was 122 degrees Fahrenheit. It was okay to add my preservative. So this is what my consistency is looking like after about 10 to 15 minutes. So it's much thicker. So if you don't want it this thick, then adjust your emulsifying wax, and you can also leave out the thickener. So I'm using Optifen. You can use any preservative, but you do need a preservative because of all the water that was added. So I'm just adding that in now. I ended up switching to my whisk and I just mixed the preservative in some more. So this is going to form the base for our face mask. I'm going to start adding in my additives, starting off with kaolin clay. You can use anything you like for this mask depending on your skin type or what you're wanting in your mask. So I'm just mixing that in and adding in the rest of my clay. I'm adding in some turmeric and ginger powder. These two combined work wonders for your skin, so they are really amazing ingredients to use. Next, I'm using some honey powder, and then I'm also going to add in some yogurt powder as well. I also scraped down the sides of my container just to make sure everything was well mixed, and then I used my whisk one last time so that way I could get a good consistency and to make sure everything was well blended. So pretty much now my face mask is ready. Final consistency is up to you, so you can make changes to the recipe if you want a thinner consistency, but this is what I have. I'm just going to package this up next. So the face mask is ready for use. This is a great mask to try on. It's very creamy and it feels very moisturizing on your skin, and it does a great job of pulling out all that dirt and impurity from your skin. You just have to use this consistently. I recommend using this twice a week. So let me know how you like this recipe. Let me know if you have questions. Reach out to me in the comments and I'll do my best to answer your questions. Please don't forget to subscribe because that really helps me out. Also, please like this video and also turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos that I upload. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.